Oh, and Mr. Damodar, sorry. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to the Suva International Short Film Festival 2024. With recognizing the importance of the creative arts, particularly film, as a powerful art for storytelling and cultural expression. I believe that the return of this beautiful festival is after a hiatus of 2 years, is timely as we reflect on our unique heritage, our stories and our perspectives, and I have to say a resurgence of the entertainment industry in Fiji. They've seen the likes of George Fiji come back to Fiji, and the emergence of a lot of artists, and certainly the film industry is starting to shine as well in our local talent. The Fiji government remains committed to providing great opportunities for the growth and development of our audiovisual industry. By offering the necessary support and resources, we aim to create an environment where local filmmakers can thrive, pushing the boundaries of their craft and exploring its full potential, or their full potential. This commitment is of course reflected in government's recently launched National Development Plan 2025 to 2029 and the Vision 2050, where there is substantial focus to strengthen and promote Fiji's audiovisual industry. The enormous potential of the audiovisual industry offers to our country's socio-economic development makes it more than just a priority for the Fiji government. In fact, audiovisual industry created $255.9 million worth of new economic activity in 2023-2024 and generated about employment for 1,268 Fijians. In our shared vision to rebuild the new Fiji with a diversified economic base, we will continue to work in positioning Fiji as one of the most sought-after film destinations in the world, with our local skills being strengthened as well. Our commitment, as encapsulated in the new NDP for the audiovisual industry, will only be possible if we work together in translating our vision into actions and further tangible outcomes. Turning back to today's event, Film Fiji also has prepared a brilliant lineup of local films to showcase. Each film tells a unique story, reflecting the richness of our culture, the diversity of our people, and the shared experiences that bind us all together. These films are more than just works of art. They are powerful windows into our lives, offering a glimpse into our traditions, our struggles, our joys, and our aspirations. In showcasing these local films, we are not only celebrating our local talent, but also positioning Fiji within the broader global landscape of creative industries. The audiovisual industry offers tremendous potential to connect us to the world, allowing our voices to be heard on the international stage. By nurturing and promoting our filmmakers, we are opening new pathways for cultural exchange and economic growth. It is through this festival that Fiji stands as a vital hub within the Pacific's growing audiovisual industry. It is through platforms like this that we build stronger ties with our Pacific brothers and sisters, exchange stories or talanoa, and promote a shared vision of creative collaboration across the region. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks to the networks established by the hardworking team in Film Fiji, we are confident that we can elevate our creative voices and stories to a global audience. The collaboration between filmmakers and local organizations and government initiatives has created fertile ground for our talents to flourish. Together, we can ensure that our narratives reach beyond our shores and resonate to the audiences worldwide. In conclusion, I invite you all to sit back and enjoy the creative work of these budding filmmakers over the next 2 days. Each film you will see is a testament to the hard work, passion, and creativity they possess.